Question number 32 to 36, yes, no, not given. Now, you know we've already done yes, no, not given. So once again, we have yes, no, not given. A question type may be repeated. And the most repeated question types are sentence completion, true, false, not given, yes, no, not given. They are repeated often. Children need toys in order to play. Now listen, what will you check? If children need toy in order to play, answer is yes. If they can play without toys, answer is no. It's not true, false, it's yes, no. And if they don't tell us whether children need toy to play or not, then it is not given. So let's start from the beginning of the passage. First paragraph, second line. I'm reading first paragraph. Virtually every child the world over plays. The drive to play is so intense that children will do so in any circumstances. For instance, when they have no real toys. Now what's the question? Children need toys in order to play? No. When they have no real toys or when parents do not actively encourage the behavior, they start playing. So do they need toys? No. What is the answer? No. Children need toys in order to play. You know, sometimes children start playing with anything. कोई डब्बा पकड़ा दें उससे खेलना शुरू कर देंगे. Yeah, they are such nice monkeys. Children need toys in order to play. Answer is no. Question number 33. It is a mistake, underline a mistake, to treat play and learning as separate types of activities. Listen, play and learning. So if we consider play and learning separate type of activities, it is a mistake. If it is a mistake, answer is yes. If it is not a mistake, that's the right thing. Play and learning are together, they are the same things. Then it is no. And if they don't tell us whether it's a mistake or not to mix play and learning, then it is not given. Let's come back. Play and learning. Wow. Second paragraph, last line. Our society has created a false dichotomy between play and learning. So our society has created a false dichotomy between play and learning. Come back. It is a mistake. For mistake, what is the word? False dichotomy. To treat play and learning as separate types of activities. Answer is yes. Because of it is a mistake and our society has created a false dichotomy between play and learning. Question number 34. Play helps children to develop their artistic talents. Play and artistic talents. For artistic talent, they can define that talent. Play helps children to develop their artistic talents. Third paragraph. Through play, children learn to regulate their behavior, lay the foundations for later learning in science and mathematics, figure out the complex negotiations of social relationships, build a repertoire of creative problem-solving skills, and so much more. There is also an important role for adults. Now, did they say play helps children to develop their artistic talents? They said through play, children can regulate their behavior. Have they used anything for artistic talent? No. So the answer is good. Question number 35. Researchers have agreed on a definition of play. Now you know what to see. If researchers have agreed on definition of play, answer is yes. If they disagreed on definition of play, answer is no. And if they don't tell us whether they agreed or disagreed, it's not given. So where to go? Very next paragraph. It's the 1, 2, 3, fourth paragraph. Full consensus on a formal definition of play continues to elude the researchers and theorists who study it. Definitions range from discrete descriptions of various types of play, such as physical, constructive, language, or symbolic play. Come back. Researchers have agreed on definition of play? No. Why not? Because there they mention definitions range from. When definitions are ranging from, it's not a single definition. Definitions range from discrete descriptions of various types of play. So researchers have agreed on a definition. No, definitions range from means there are different definitions. They don't agree on one. For 35, answer is no. 36. Work and play differ. Underline differ. Work and play differ in terms of whether or not they have a target. So work and play differ in terms of whether or not they have a target. Let's go back. Work and play differ whether or not they have a target. Okay, the word work is given in fourth last paragraph. Everyone, second page of the passage, fourth last paragraph. Can you see the words such as work, second line? Okay, I'm reading this from the beginning. Now let's read the question again. Work and play differ in terms of whether or not they have a target. So, fourth last paragraph. From the perspective of a continuum, play can thus blend with other motives and attitudes that are less playful, such as work. Unlike play, work is typically not viewed as enjoyable and it is extrinsically motivated. That is, it is goal-oriented. What is goal-oriented? Work. Now come back. Work and play differ in terms of whether or not they have a target. Yes, work is goal-oriented and play is not goal-oriented. That is the difference. That is why the answer is yes, absolutely. Work and play differ in terms of whether or not they have a target. Read again, please come back. It's the second line, such as work. Unlike play, work is typically not viewed as enjoyable and it is extrinsically motivated. That is, it is goal-oriented. So work is goal-oriented and the other one is not. Work and play differ and the difference is goal orientation. Answer is yes.